Well, good morning, YouTube land. Now, if you remember, or if you've seen the video previous to this, wife had a little bump with a deer some time ago, and repaired it. Got it all back looking quite nice. Any bits that really needs attention is that chrome trim there. But the grills are stupidly expensive and don't come up very often, so basically I had to wait. But yeah, pretty much all this bit here was all caved in, cracked, and in a bit of a mess. I repaired that, sprayed it up, all went very well. But if you see from another video, for some strange reason, and I don't know what it is, well, I do cheap paint off eBay, but there you go. When cold water, can't actually see it today, but when cold water gets on this bumper, it puts white spots on it, which is very, very bizarre. You can see there, it's left marks. It's really not nice. So today, just going to give it a light rubbing down and then basically spray it up again. And this time I bought some decent stuff and some decent lacquer, so hopefully that will do the job. Right, I'm not sure I want to take the bumper off. It's only really this area here that just needs quickly blowing in. So I think what I'll probably do is mask off the grille, rather than taking all the bumper off. Mask off the headlight. This panel comes out, so I can mask all that up. And there's a little scratch just on the wing there that was done a long time ago. So yeah, quickly sort that out as well. Right, let's get on with it. So progress so far then, all rubbed down, including the little nick on the wing there. Some primer filler stuck on top. Obviously all masked up. Stop the overspray. So yep, it's come up okay so far. Filled in all the little dimples and bits and bobs. And now just got to wait for that to dry. Quick rub over, and then some top coat on it. So yeah, going alright so far. It's a nice warm day as well, so it shouldn't take too long to do. Excellent stuff. Yeah, and the wife can have it back and then destroy it again very soon. Don't tell her. Well, that's it. All done. All sorted. Back to silver again. Job's a good one. All fitted up. All ready to go. And that is the point where I look at the sky and go, time for a road trip. Cheers, YouTube.